Hey guys, we made it to Warsaw, Poland. We're doing a special trip. We're here to visit our friends that are stationed here, so we can't wait. We've been waiting for this trip for a long time. We just landed. We're a little late, but we're heading right now to go meet Ryan and Landon, who are waiting for us at our bags.
On his birthday.
Yeah, it's Landon's birthday. It's a great day to come in. Here we go. Is that a birthday boy I see?
How old are you? 4. What? That's so old.
Do you feel older?
No.
And eventually they all just feel the same.
Yeah, ain't that the truth?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Landon. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out the candle.
You got it.
Hey, good morning. It's day 2 here at Warsaw. We're heading out to go look at Old Town, do some exploring. We got Tanner in the back. Ryan here, of course, you know him from previous videos.
That's right.
We're just sitting in traffic right now, trying to make our way downtown.
That's right.
But
Should be a good fun day.
yeah, it'll be fun. We'll see y'all there. All right, we stopped for lunch. We're at a Georgian restaurant. We've got a whole plate full of these konkalis. We've got cheese-filled ones and also ones with beef and some meat, I guess, and broth. I cannot wait to try these things. And we got some Georgian bread too. Look at that.
Yeah.
So apparently this is what you don't do. You don't take a bite of it and push it down because it all comes out. Once you bite it, you got to keep going. We'll have to see a pro eat these things. Alright, we finished lunch. We're at our bellies full. Now we're taking the bus down to Old Town. We're trying to catch it. It's coming right now. We made it. That was rough, but we made it. such a realistic statue.
Hey, bud. Birds?
This is a neat statue. Looks just like Landon.
Landon, what are you?
Look at them.
Okay, so if you look at that little sliver right there, that apparently is the smallest house in Poland.
I'll say they're gone. They are gone.
How would you like to live in that thing? Alright, we're stopping for pictures in front of the smallest house in Poland.
So cool.
That's neat.
Jeez, that's right. I don't remember that tour at all.
So they say it's good luck to walk around this bell 2 or 3 times, so we're all doing it. We're going around the bell. We gotta get all the luck we can get. And we're all gonna go play the lottery after this. So, here we go. Yeah.
I did 2 laps.
I don't know. I think I did 3.
What's the bell say, Landon? It was only 2, I think. One more. Hopefully we're going the right direction. 3.
They say, so apparently this bell has a lot of history. This is the bell that Hitler took to space when he went.
Took to space?
Yeah.
Didn't know he went to space.
He hand carried it to space.
Hand carried it. That guy's strong.
It is cracked because he dropped it on accident.
That sucker is solid.
Go back for a group picture with Landon there. You guys. Yeah. Landon, go by Allie.
We're taking a group picture. Okay, so I guess you have to keep your hand on it while you go in circles. We clearly did that wrong.
Yeah. There they go for good luck. Doing it the correct way this time.
I'm getting really dizzy though. I think that's good. I feel like I'm good.
I feel lucky.